Welcome to MEAI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a standard read-only API key on Bybit. First, log into your account, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner, and select API from the menu. Click the Create New Key button and choose System-Generated API Keys. Next, select the API key for personal use option. Give your key a label like MEAI tracking and ensure the permissions are set to read only. This allows the Centico app to only view your portfolio data without the ability to trade or withdraw your funds. Complete the security verification using your Google Authenticator or email code. Once verified, your API key and secret key will be displayed. It is crucial to copy and save both keys immediately in a secure location, as the secret key will be hidden after this step. Finally, paste these keys into the Centico app to sync your assets. Your integration is now complete and secure.